Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making baking powder Easter bun. For this recipe I'm using dark brown sugar, milk, all-purpose flour, cinnamon powder, melted butter, baking powder, salt, egg, grated nutmeg, raisins and mixed peel. In a measuring cup I've placed the milk, and to that I'm adding the sugar, melted butter and beaten egg. I'm using a whisk to combine those ingredients, and I'll combine those and then set it aside. In a bowl I will sift the flour, baking powder, salt and cinnamon, and then I will add the grated nutmeg. I'm using a whisk to combine the nutmeg with the rest of the ingredients. Then I'll add the wet ingredients. I'll add the wet ingredients in 3 portions, and I'll make sure that they're combined thoroughly. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of browning, mix that in thoroughly, and then I will add the mixed fruits, raisins and citrus peel, combine those, and then once that's completed, pour into 2 8-inch loaf pans that have been greased and floured. Use a spatula to smooth the top, and then knock the pan to get rid of the bubbles, and then bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Once it's done, then glaze while it is hot, then cool it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then remove it from the tin, and the bun is now ready to be sliced. The bun can be eaten with butter, margarine, cheese, fried fish, and do make sure that you cover your bun with plastic wrap because it dries up very quickly. In the next video I'll show you how to make stout bun. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Dr. Baillie. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.